Hello friends, welcome to new episode of Mysterious Journey. In this episode we are going to discuss about how the universe was created according to Vedas. Vedas says that before the creation of the universe, Lord Vishnu was sleeping in the ocean of all causes. His bed is a giant serpent with thousands of cobra-like hoods. By the way, in the trinity of creator, maintainer, and destroyer as mentioned in the Vedas, Lord Vishnu is the maintainer, Brahma is the creator and Shiva the destroyer. While Vishnu is asleep, a lotus sprouts of his navel. Note that navel is symbolized as the root of creation. Inside this lotus, Brahma resides. Brahma represents the universe which we all live in, and it is the Brahma who creates life forms. Now take a break here. Vishnu is the personification of the eternal multiverse that exists forever without any beginning or end. Brahma is the personification of our temporary physical universe that was created in the Big Bang. Brahma is said to have been created from the navel, which is a single point, of Vishnu, described as a lotus blooming out of the navel, much like our Big Bang universe. Now, this universe represented by Brahma is not a permanent universe, it is temporary. Brahma lives for 100 years the Vedas says, and then dies and then a new universe, Brahma, is born. So as per Vedas, our universe lives for 100 years. Later we shall see how long each year of Brahma is. For now, Brahma represents out universe which has birth, and death, a big bang, and a big crush, from a navel singularity. Vishnu represents the eternity that lies beyond our universe, which has no birth or death, and that which is eternal. Many such universes like ours exist in Vishnu. Vedas says that thousands of Brahmas have passed away. In other words, this is not the first time universe has been created. Let us come back to the time measurements now. Brahma lives for 100 years say Vedas, and we are on the first day of the 51st year of the Brahma. A year of Brahma. By the way, each year of Brahma has 360 days. And are on the first day of the 51st year of our current Brahma. Coming back to the day of the Brahma. Well, there is day and night. Vedas say that during the day Brahma is busy in creation of life, and during the night all life he created is absorbed back into him. So we will be there only for this day of Brahma, which is the first day of his 51st year. But don't feel sad, let me promise you, this is a pretty long day. A day of Brahma. Each day of Brahma is called a kalpa, and this itself is very huge in number. No wonder, ancient Indians had to be perfect in mathematics, before going into all these things. A kalpa is made up of Brahmas one day, and one night. Manvantaras. The day has 14 manvantaras. Similarly, the night has equal 14 manvantaras. But then Brahma is resting in the night, so let's get back to the day again. Mahayuga. Each manvantara is made up of 17 Mahayuga. We are in the 28th Mahayuga of this manvantara the Vedas says. A Mahayuga is a collection of 4 yugas. Maha means giant or huge. The 4 yugas are Satya Yuga, also called Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga. We are in Kali Yuga of our current Mahayuga the Vedas says. Satya Yuga lasts for 40% of its Mahayuga of divine, where humans need no physical means to exist and are in direct contact with the God. Treta Yuga lasts for 30% of its Mahayuga age where bad deeds start appearing. Still there is a lot of truth, and in fact, 3/4 of this age still has goodness. Dwapara Yuga lasts for 20% of its Mahayuga. Dwapara means after the second, where there is the almost equal amount of good and bad. Kali Yuga lasts for 10% of its Mahayuga. Kali means darkness in Sanskrit, not to be confused with Kali, which goddess. No wonder we are in this age. Now finally we have reached to a timescale which we can relate to our own years. 1 Kali Yuga equals 432,000 solar years. A Kali Yuga is had the length of 1 Yuga. So 1 Maha Yuga has 10 Yugas, of which 4 are in Satya Yuga, 3 in Treta Yuga, 2 in Dwapara and 1 in Kali Yuga. So a Maha Yuga equals 10 times the Kali Yuga, i.e. 4,320,000 solar years. Calculations. Let us do some reverse calculations now to find out the age of the universe as per the Vedas. 1 Maha Yuga equals 4,320,000 years. 1 Manvantara equals 71 Maha Yugas. 1 day of Brahma equals 14 Manvantara equals 994 Maha Yugas. Now a small addition here. Vedas also say that before and after each Manvantara there is a gap, equivalent to 4 Yugas, not Maha Yugas. So, now 1 day of Brahma equals 14 Manvantaras plus 15 multiply 4 Yugas equals 994 Maha Yugas plus 60 Yugas equals 994 Maha Yugas plus 6 Maha Yugas equals 1000 Maha Yugas. So, 1 day of Brahma equals 1000 Maha Yugas equals 4,320,000,000 years. 1 night again 1000 Maha Yugas equals 4,320,000,000 years. 1 complete day equals day plus night equals 8,640,000,000 years equals 8.64 billion years. Note that we are in the 7th Manvantara of this day. So let us calculate how many years have passed since today started for Brahma. Step 1. For 6 Manvantaras we have 71 multiply 6 equals 426 Maha Yugas. Step 2. Then we have the gaps between each Manvantara, which are 7 multiply 4 Yugas equals 2.8 Maha Yugas. Step 3. Then we have the current Maha Yuga in our Manvantara, which is 28th. We are the last 1/10 of it. Remember, Kali Yuga is the last of 4 Yugas and span 1/10 of a Maha Yuga. So, it is 27.9 Maha Yugas. So all put together we have 426 plus 2.8 plus 27.9 equals 456.7 Maha Yugas have been already spent in the current day of Brahma. Approximately 543 more to go before we all are absorbed back into the Brahma. Okay, so 456.7 in terms of years is 456.7 multiply 4,320,000 equals 1,972,944,456, which is about 2 billion years. Somewhat close to what evolution proposes for life on Earth. Age of the universe. Now let's find out the age of our universe as per the Vedas. Let us consider the age of the Brahma to be the age of the universe. This is one number which no modern theory can even come anywhere near to it. As we saw earlier, a day of Brahma has 2000 Maha Yugas, day and night. There are 360 days in a year for Brahma, and we are on the first day of the 51st year. So far 350 multiply 50 equals 18,000 days have passed for Brahma. This is equivalent to 18,000 multiply 2000 multiply 432,000 human years. In other words, 135,520,000,000,000 human years. Add the current day of Brahma, which is 1,972,944,456 human years. So, as per the Vedas, the current age of the universe is 155,521,992,944,456 years, which is about 155,522 billion years. Modern-day science has been able to predict the age of our universe to be only about 15 to 20 billion years. Moreover, since we are on the first day of a 51st year of Brahma, almost equal amount of time has to pass before this universe ends. So, Either modern science still has a long way to go in estimation the age of our universe, or the universe mentioned in Vedas is the mother of all universe, a multiverse probably, including our own universe. More interesting, Vedas also says that the average human lifespan in each yuga as follows. Kali Yuga equals 100 years. Dwapara Yuga equals 200 years. Treta Yuga equals 300 years. Satya Yuga equals 400 years. We observed another interesting fact here. Vedas are also implying by this that humans are not limited to planet Earth, nor to this universe alone. We belong to other yugas as well where we live a longer life. More than the length of the life, a greater depth as well. If you never want to miss any of my new videos, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon, so that you can get the notification. Do like the video if you find this knowledge useful, do comment your views, and do share the video with your friends and family. Do subscribe, I will share more such useful knowledge with you all.